guys, welcome back to my channel Career Guide Placement Solution. So here you can see this is off-campus hiring from Wipro School of IT Infrastructure Management for the 2024 and 2025 pass out batches. So here you can see the last date is 15 June 2025, that is the application window will close in 7 days. Okay, so let's see the overview of the job. So here it is that Wipro Technologies, in line with its innovative culture, has started pioneering model in the field of higher education. So here you can see all the diploma holders will get BTech in information system from a reputed university. Also they will have the opportunity to work as a full-time employee with Wipro with BTech degree that will be sponsored by Wipro. So what is the eligibility criteria? So here you can see 10 standard pass can apply, 12 standard pass can apply, and diploma with 50% can apply. So year of passing, as I said, 2024 and 2025 pass out batches. Qualification is diploma in computer science, IT, electronics, telecommunication, computer engineering, electrical, electronics, 50% and above. Almost all the streams are available except mechanical, civil. Other criteria is if you have a education gap of more than 3 years you cannot apply, but maximum of 3 years is eligible. Full-time diploma courses are only permitted. Mandatory to have mathematics as one subject in any of your semesters in diploma. Also business math and applied maths are not considered. Okay, so you have to do a full-time in 10th, 12th or both. Okay, and maximum of one backlog till the assessment process is allowed, not more than that, and you have to be a citizen of India, and candidate should be 18 years or above at the time of onboarding. So how will the evaluation process be? So in the first case there will be round 1 of online assessment where there will be 4 sections: verbal, analytical, quantitative, written communication. So 20 questions each. Okay, next round will be voice assessment, then will be business discussion, that is sort of interview, and round 4 is pre-skilling training, that is before joining, before onboarding, pre-skilling training program. So you will have to sign an agreement of 48 months. Okay, so at the time of joining you have to sign an agreement, and this is some terms and condition. You can go through it. I will paste this link on in the video description. You can check out from there, and you have to click on apply now. As you already know that here you have to submit your email ID and click on next and apply. Okay, so if you face any kind of issues during applying, so you can definitely comment down below in this video comment section, or you can join my Telegram channel and you can message me there as well. So I'll try to solve any kind of queries or issues if you face regarding this video, or any other queries if you have, you can definitely message me. So yeah, so this is a very good opportunity for all the diploma holders to get BTech degree as well as a good job in a reputed company. So don't miss this opportunity. Share it with your friends and apply as soon as possible. 7 days are remaining. And yeah, this is all about today's video. So thank you for watching my video till here. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get all these kind of off-campus hiring updates. Thank you. Bye.